எங்க சேதாரத்துக்கு மேல கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா உங்க காசை வேஸ்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி தான். லலிதால வாங்குங்க, நிறைய பணம் சேவ் பண்ணுவீங்க.
ஸ்ரீ திருச்சி சிவா. I have a point. No, there is so much of disturbance. What point of order can be taken? No point of order can be taken. No. You have to read. Otherwise, I am going to give the chance to the other member. No. Your own people are making this shouting here, and you are on the point of order. The point of order. You tell me very clearly. You want to speak on the subject or not?
I want to speak, but before that, I need an explanation.
No. How I can allow a point of order when everybody is shouting? There is no point of order. There is no order. Then what is the use of point of order? Let everybody go to their seat. Sit there. Then
they are going. LOP. They are going to their seat.
Honorable member, I will tell you one thing. Nobody can take the house for granted. Everybody should go by the norms of the house.
The rules. Everybody has to go by the rules.
Yes, then you are occupying the well and what rules it is?
They have gone back. All of them have gone back.
Let them go to their seat and sit. Otherwise, you have to read in the.
Now house is in order. Tell him. बैठ जाओ. Mr. Chairman, all are in their respective.
No.
Sir, point of order.
Hello.
Point of order. Point of order, sir.
Mr. Tiwari. First of all, I let you.
Yes. I will give a chance to everyone, provided if you are in order.
Now they are in order.
Yeah.
You start. Sir, we have come here to speak only, sir. Sir, now they are disturbing.
Tell me the.
Now they are disturbing. Sir, this side is in order, sir.
Okay, you tell me the rule, or you want to speak on this?
Tell me the rule. Tell me the rule. Mr. Chairman, this side is in order.
So
let me.
Yes, as I am coming to you later, please. You tell the point of order.
Rule 239, sir. When for the purposes of explanation, during discussion or for any other sufficient reason, any member has occasion to ask a question for under the consideration of the council, he shall ask the question through the chairman. Sir, my simple question is, sir, we all gave 267 notice, sir. You dispensed off with it. You didn't even tell what are the reasons why you dispensed off, in what reason the notice.
The reason has been read out by me in my answer itself, and I am rejecting it. I have told you
at least allow
what are the reasons. There is no point of order.
Allow the LOP.
There is no point of order.
चर्चा से क्यों भाग रहे हैं लोग? Allow the LOP to speak. सर, वोट चोर सरकार चर्चा से क्यों भाग रही है?
Now, Ajit Kumar Bayan.
Respected Chairman, sir, for this mention, I'd like to draw attention to the prevailing situation in Tezpur University, Assam. Tezpur University is a central university which was established by an Act of Parliament in 1994. Its founding is considered one of the outcome of the Assam Accord signed in 1985. Since the last few months, the university has been witnessing dharna and protests against some omissions and commissions on the part of the university authority. The Vice Chancellor is not in university campus. For around 2 months, the students are staging dharna and protests, and no sincere attempt has been made to resolve the impasse. several facts and information surfaced in the public domain regarding irregularities and corruption which are taking place under direct and tacit approval of the authority. The VC cannot escape responsibility simply by keeping away from the university campus. The need of the hour is to bring back the educational atmosphere to normalcy. For one individual, the highest temple of learning cannot be allowed to suffer. The government should be cautious in the matter of appointment of Vice Chancellor, and any extraneous consideration should not be pursued in appointing VCs. While expressing my anguish over the matter, I request the Honorable Minister of Education to step in and to take appropriate steps and restore the congenial atmosphere in the university. Thank you, sir.
Dr. K. Lakshman.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. This is the most important and concerned issue pertaining to national security and its impact on the youth, sir. This is the rising drug abuse and its impact on youth and national security. Sir, I rise to express deep concern over the rising of the drug abuse in India, which poses a grave threat not only to our youth, but our public health and even our internal security, sir. Well, the government of India has taken commendable steps through the National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction and by strengthening the Narcotics Control Bureau and enforcement agencies. The scale of the crisis today requires even more urgent and targeted intervention, sir. According to the conservation estimates by the United Nations, 13% of the drugs now abuse victims in India are under the age of 20. This is the most concerned and alarming situation in the country, sir. Almost all the states and most of the districts are being affected. A staggering 100 million people in India are currently affected by substance addiction, and drug consumption has risen by 70% over the last 8 years, sir. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment previously reported there are nearly 31 million cannabis users, 24 million opiate users, and 7.7 million inhalant users in the country, sir. That the problem is not merely medical, it is often social and structural, usually tied to unemployment, violence, and exploitation. Even the celebrities in the country are also being victims of this particular drug abuse, sir. Social scientists have warned that adolescent addiction is becoming endemic in pockets of vulnerability, and drug abuse is increasingly linked to the rise in economic crimes also, sir. Through you, I urge the government to expand rehabilitation centers in high-risk districts, launch de-addiction and awareness campaigns in schools and colleges, strengthen coordination between enforcement, health and social agencies, sir. Crack down on drug peddlers, especially those who target education institutions, youth and students, and targeting Indian youth. Let us act before the silent epidemics robust as on our nation's future, sir. Thank you very much.
எங்க சேதாரத்துக்கு மேல கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா உங்க காசை வேஸ்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி தான். லலிதால வாங்குங்க, நிறைய பணம் சேவ் பண்ணுவீங்க.
மின்னம்பலம்.com தமிழின் முதல் மொபைல் பத்திரிகை.